Welcome to Chip News with Naveen. You can now 3D print an OLED display. To prove that it can be done, researchers at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities have 3D printed a flexible OLED display. The team used two types of 3D printing to build the 6-layer device. The electrodes, interconnects, insulation and encapsulation were all extrusion printed, while they used a spray nozzle to accurately control the thickness of the thin active layers that carries the signal and power. Energy harvesting integrated chip company EPs announced the lowest power consuming Cortex M0 MCU to be commercially available that it claimed would consume only 18 microamperes per megahertz in active mode. It is a 32-bit 24 megahertz chip. This would make it ideal for batteryless applications using energy harvesting. Speaking of batteries, researchers at the Chemnist University of Technology have presented the world's smallest battery. Sized as tiny as a grain of dust, it can already power the world's smallest computer chips for about 10 hours. The battery has been developed for smart dust applications. To support the research and effort put into these informative videos, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of these videos. Now let's get back to the news. SpaceX Starlink has a contender. OneWeb, the low Earth orbit satellite broadband company partly owned by the UK government, is signing Southern Hemisphere broadband distribution deals. It is now more than halfway to completing its planned constellation. Main backers are the UK government, Bharati Enterprises of India and Eutelsat of France. It has over 350 satellites in orbit and plans to double the number of its constellation. The Japanese National Institute of Material Science and SoftBank has developed a 500 Wh per kg lithium-air battery. This is more than 4 times better than what is available now. The team achieved this by building a highly porous electrode from carbon black, which is self-standing and achieves a discharge capacity of around 7000 mAh per gram even at a current density of over 0.4 mA per centimeter square. By the way, don't forget to check out the video description for all relevant links for the news covered in this video. Arduino has released the smallest AI Enabled Arduino board to date. Don't let Nicla Sense ME size fool you. Nicla Sense ME is jam-packed with 4 Bosch sensors: the BHI 260AP motion sensor system with integrated AI, the BMM 150 magnetometer, the BMP 390 pressure sensor, and the BME 688, a 4-in-1 gas sensor. Nicla Sense ME can be powered by a battery and used as a complete standalone board or can be attached to another Arduino board to expand its capabilities. Now let's go over to some book recommendations. If you are looking to program the Raspberry Pi Pico in MicroPython, Programming the Raspberry Pi Pico in MicroPython book is a very good starting point. The next book recommendation is aimed at professionals and covers designing embedded systems, specifically FPGAs. A hands-on guide to designing embedded systems book is a practical introduction to the design of FPGAs. That is all for today, and as always, like, share and subscribe. Until next time, Naveen signing off from Chip News.